y'all, so it's my last day here in this Airbnb. I am leaving, so I'll see y'all at the new one. Remember, leave your Airbnbs clean. In the market. Let me see. They don't give me a watermelon. Yeah, that one look good. Ooh, the strawberries look good too. Okay, y'all. So basically, I'm just now leaving the market. I end up getting like basically some steak and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all. Yeah. Hey y'all, so it's a new day. I'm actually putting on some sunscreen that my friend Courtney got me. I know y'all probably, this probably like the middle of the vlog. I don't know if all of this is in the same vlog. Yeah, this is my outfit of the day. I know that one thing I didn't do for y'all was show y'all my Airbnb. So I'm leaving today. I'm actually leaving today, and y'all see the lights came on. So I'm packing up all my stuff because I'm about to leave. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just throwing stuff away. I'm about to put some eggs on real quick so I can have at least something in my stomach before I leave. My snacks, my juices. I got a bag. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like when you first come in. You have gates everywhere. You get a key to open up the gates, and you can't get in without the gates key. And then this is security door 1, then another door. Then when you come in to the right, you have your bathroom. My bad, y'all, remember this the last day, so everything don't look perfect. But I love this shower come out so hot, y'all. Hot, clean bathroom. This is my stuff, so you know, of course they coming to clean today, because I'm leaving today. No smoke in here. Bathroom, love the aesthetics. Everything, they have everything in here you need. Every cleaning product, well stocked. They have, this is one, they have vacuum, iron, a fan if you need it. This is the laundry area. Good, nice laundry. I had bought that fabric softener, but I can't find the top, so that's gonna have to stay here. And then when you come in, I told y'all I'm just drawn to these little art pieces that I keep finding in the place. Love this art piece right here. Yes, ma'am. Love that. Love that. Then this other art piece, love that. So then this is the living room space. TV, amazing. This is where I worked at all the time that I've been here. Love the aesthetic. They did their thing with the decorations. They also have a surround sound with the TV, so it's amazing when you're watching TV. Then this is the couch. Couch is so comfy. This is the AC. This is what controls the AC. When you cut it off, cut it on. This is like a loft style, so yeah. This is the kitchen. That's my stuff that I'm taking, my eggs and stuff, and my tripod. But the kitchen is so nice. This is the new refrigerator. They got a new refrigerator, Samsung. Love that. Let me tell y'all, this stove is so powerful. Does what it need to do. Just made myself some eggs because I'm about to go. Yeah, gotta wash that dish. Wash dishes already. And yeah, new microwave. Everything's so nice. Love this. Nice little scenery out here. This is my view, you know, that I have. See the trees blowing. View was amazing. Stay was amazing. Then you have the bedroom and everything upstairs. So this is so cool, y'all. Motion lights for when you go up. When you walk up, hold on, watch. See? So at nighttime, when you walking up in this dark old house, these lights come on and you don't fall because you know. So they walk, you walk up them, then look. I love how you could just look over and see everything. So when you get up here, bed look crazy because I didn't make it up, but this is the bed. I slept crazy. They have a fan that you can use because it gets kind of hot up here because it's like a loft style, so it gets pretty like stuffy. So this fan is so powerful. Look at me. But have a dresser, little drawer, you put everything in there. I didn't use it and put everything in there, but you can. But yeah, this is this. And then yeah, bed look crazy, but they coming in today to clean, so I didn't want to make it up. Have a lamp, and this is how you look over everything. So yeah, so this is where I stayed for about like, ooh, I think I just walked into like a spider web or something. What the fuck? My bad, y'all. But this is where I stayed for like a week, so I enjoyed it. Yeah, it's like I'm feeling something on my damn face. What the fuck? But yeah, I felt really safe here. Hello? Hello? Good morning. But yeah, y'all, house cleaning is here. So I'm about to leave and turn in my keys. So bye, y'all. I'll see y'all at the next place. So is that like a seed?
Oh yes, we're gonna strip off. Yeah, and there's sometimes there's some thing inside to clean out, so when you cut them, there you go. So we can take off at least a piece because it's your lovely. And we just leave that for another time. You know, you may need to. You can wash the saltfish off. It's salty, you know. What I usually do, I usually just clean it up so it's kind of hard.
Or like get like the
scales.
The scales,
yeah.
the scales, yeah. Oh, it's kind of like with salmon.
Yeah. And I'm gonna boil it. Usually some people soak it.
Oh, they'll soak it to get the scales off.
The salt, it's very salty. It's a fish, but it's like fish.
But it's just salty.
Here, you can taste it.
Thank you. Mmm.
So when they soak it, they soak out the salt.
Oh, it's so good and fresh.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna allow it to boil. It's just rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just rice. It's just normal rice.
So do you normally eat ACKEE and saltfish in the morning? Or at any time?
Anytime you want. You can have ACKEE and saltfish anytime you want.
Oh, so you mix it in and let it boil.
Let it boil, yeah.
Wow.
I can cover it up a little bit. Yeah. Since we don't have any sweet pepper, we're just gonna put tomatoes. Like these onions. Turn it up a little bit. The salt, take it a little bit.
It's okay.
Now we can just put the saltfish in.
It looks so good.
Let's put the apples. But I like the apple, but it will be good for you.
Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday and I am about to go downstairs. I just got done eating a mango. It was so good, so I'm about to go downstairs and see if I can get some more. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is my front door. I gotta unlock everything. I'm coming down here to get these mangoes, y'all, that I seen fall. How you doing? That one. Looks like there's one in here. Hey y'all, so I'm getting my hair done. Look y'all, so it's just been God moving like through this whole situation of me being out here, y'all. Like, this is Aniki. Hi guys. And she is just like a freaking gem. So she is doing my hair, and yeah, y'all, we just talking, having girl talk. Well, y'all can hear what we talking about. So men. Yeah. Men just
I know,
gosh.
right? Like, it's so crazy.
Men, life, all type of stuff. It's just friends. It's just so much. It feels so good out.
Alright, gonna go like, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, like back. This one on my neck. Open you up. Alright.
Thank you. Thank you. This is so crazy because it's my first time ever having this.
It looks really nice. I
Thank
think
you.
it suits you.
Thank you.
As the older it gets, the more it's better.
Right. It's like, it's just right now, it's just like fresh. Thank you so much.